Hey everyone, welcome back on Davis Tech channel. And in this series, we're going to achieve this WhatsApp Web UI. Okay, first thing we will going to complete the WhatsApp Web UI. Then we will start working with the server and integrate that server with our UI. Okay, so here you can see that we have like look alike of WhatsApp Web. Okay, and here you can see also we have attachment thing and emoji and all. So let's achieve this whole UI in throughout this video series first, and yeah, then we will start working with this server. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video to your friend. It will highly motivate me to make more videos. Okay, let's start coding. So let's set up our base thing. So here you will find that we have a left panel and the right panel on our WhatsApp web. So we will going to first create this base setup. As of now, if we go on our code, then you will find nothing. It's just a React logo with some just some example text. So let's start writing the code. What I will do, I will going to create something called foundation and feature. This approach I always follow. I put the reusable code on a foundation, like some reusable component I will put inside the foundation, and inside the feature I'm going to put all the feature related to this WhatsApp web feature. You can see the left panel or right panel, and foundation you can see think about this reusable component. Okay, so let's go inside a feature. First feature is the home page. So inside the feature I'm going to create pages, and the first page is the home page. So this is the folder structure I'm going to use. Home page. Inside the home page, let's put a file called homepage.tsx. I'm going to use React snippet to create snippet code. I'm going to use the RFC. I'm going to create a functional component called home page. So whenever we use a home page, create a functional component that should be have a capital letter. So I'm going to put the name of the file as well on a capital. Okay, so here we are going to write our home page related stuff, and okay, and let's use this home page. We don't have anything, and just remove all the thing like header and all, and let's use the home page only. I'm going to import the home page, and here we have a home page, and in the home page what we need to do, we need to create new thing over here. The first thing is the right panel. .tsx. Second thing will going to be a left panel.tsx, and let's use the RFC again to create a component left panel. Might be I did a mistake, and hit the save. I will use again RFC to create a right panel snippet. Okay, I will go on a home page. What I will do right now, I just wanted to align the left panel and the right panel like this way. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here, I will use the box component. So if you heard about the flex box in HTML CSS world, web development world, similarly we have the box in the React material UI component, and it have a couple of parameter like display. So here in a display you have to use the flex. I'm going to use as a flex, and automatically the flex direction by default will going to be a row, but I just wanted to show this thing that if you don't use this flex direction and use the flex direction, then what will happen. So let me just use this right panel. What I will do, I will use again a box. I will put this right panel component. Okay, I will import the right panel component as well. I will again use a box. I will import the left panel component. This should be first, as left first align, then right will align. I will hit the save and go here, then you will find left panel and right panel come here like this. So just think about this box is a flex parent and these are the child of the flex. Okay, so these are the item, flex item, and this is the main flex box. Okay, so here you just have to provide the width, you wanted to provide. So I'm going to provide the width around 30%, and I'm going to provide the width of this as a 70%. So if you use a color to just differentiate what exactly I was saving, we have a SX property. Okay, so SX property is the same like we have a style in every HTML tag. Okay, so in a material UI, instead of using the style, we're going to use the SX property. Okay, and here if I will use a background, it's the same as the HTML style thing. Okay, I will use the red. Similarly, I will do this thing on here on a box. I just wanted to show what exactly I did to yellow. Okay, then you will find our left panel is taking the 30% width of the screen and right panel is taking the 70% of width. Along with that, we can provide the height as well. If I will provide the height here in a parent 200 VH, so it will take the height of screen. VH mean the screen height available of the screen. Okay, so here you can see that the same thing we wanted to do here. We wanted to have a two separate thing. The first thing was this thing. Okay, this is the left panel. The second thing is the right panel. So we did the same thing. I gave the 30% width of the screen to the left panel and 70% width to the right panel. Now we can start writing the code and create some component which will look like this UI.